In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up abandoned checkout Klaviyo from scratch. This is a simple flow you can use to follow up with shoppers who started the checkout process but did not complete their purchase. We will build the entire flow from the ground up, set the right trigger, add a short delay, create a reminder email, and then turn it on. First, open your Klaviyo dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Click on the Flows tab. This is where Klaviyo stores all of your automations, including welcome flows, post-purchase flows, and checkout recovery. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Flow. When the options appear, click Create from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control, which is helpful when you want a clean, basic abandoned checkout setup. Now, enter your flow name. Type Abandoned Checkout. A clear name makes it easier to find and manage later, especially once you have multiple versions for testing. For your trigger type, select Metric. A metric-based trigger starts the flow when a specific event is tracked in your store data. Click the drop-down and choose Started Checkout. This tells Klaviyo to enroll people the moment they begin checkout. Once the trigger is set, you will add a delay so the email is not sent immediately. From the left sidebar components, drag a time delay and drop it directly under the trigger. Set the delay to 2 hours. This waiting period gives customers time to finish on their own, and it keeps your reminder from feeling rushed. After the delay, drag an email component and place it under the time delay. On the email block, click Configure Content. Add a subject line such as "Did you forget something?" Keep it short and clear so it reads well on mobile. Then choose a drag and drop template to design your message. This editor makes it easy to add your branding, a simple reminder, and a clear call to action without needing any code. When you are done, click Save and Exit in the top right. Finally, go to the top right corner of the flow and switch the status from Draft to Live. This activates the automation so it can begin sending to new checkout starters. That covers everything you need to know.